Dear students, today we are learning ionic bonding and covalent bonding. Bond Ionic bonding is the bond between metal and non-metal, and second point, transfer of electron from metal to non-metal, and the properties are high melting point and boiling point. Molten or aqueous state, it conducts electricity. Ionic bonds are very strong, and ionic bonds are solid at room temperature. So let us study how to draw ionic compound. Ionic bond. Sodium chloride. What is the chemical name, chemical equation of sodium chloride? Sodium valency is +1, chlorine the valency is -1. So when you switch the valency, you will get NaCl. Sodium total 11 proton, 11 electrons are there in sodium. Chlorine 17 proton, 17 electrons are there. So I am going to draw electronic configuration and shell arrangement of sodium. Sodium, I am drawing the only outermost shell electrons. Sodium 2, 8 and 1. K shell 2 electrons, L shell 8 electron, M shell 1 electron. Chlorine 2, 8 and 7. So I am representing sodium electrons, I am using cross sign, and chlorine I am using circle. So Na, sodium 1 electron in the outermost shell, plus chlorine outermost shell 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electrons are there. So when this electron will move to chlorine, so sodium's outermost shell become 8 electrons, and it loses 1 electron, so it becomes +1 charge, and chlorine 1 cross and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it accepts 1 electron from sodium, so it is -1 charge. This is how you have to draw the ionic compound in IGCSE exams. And what is sodium oxide? How to draw the ionic compound of sodium oxide? Sodium Na plus, oxygen O2 minus, so valencies are crossing, Na2O. So sodium, you have to draw 1 electron in the outermost shell, another sodium 1 electron, plus oxygen outermost shell 6 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electron. Sodium 1 electron moves here, and this sodium is 1 electron. Then oxygen outermost shell become 8, then it becomes stable. So 2 sodium atoms. So 2 sodium, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So sodium loses 1 electron to oxygen. and oxygen gains 2 electrons from sodium, 2 sodium, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So oxygen received 2 electrons, so minus 2. Covalent bonding. It is the bond between non-metal and non-metal, and covalent bonding is the sharing of electron. Properties: weaker bonds, liquid or gas states often, solids are soft solids, it does not conduct electricity, and low melting point. So we can learn how to draw covalent bonding. For example, non-metal. Hydrogen is a non-metal. 1 electron and 1 proton are there in hydrogen. So the first shell, K shell, minimum 2 electrons need to be stable. So hydrogen need 1 more electron to become stable. So hydrogen 1 electron plus hydrogen 1 electron. So this hydrogen's electron and the other one's electron. So now hydrogen is balanced. This is H2 molecule. And oxygen. Oxygen, outermost shell configuration is 2 and 6, K shell 2 electron, L shell 6 electrons, so 2 more electrons is needed to become stable. So oxygen one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it becomes oxygen 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is sharing each one 2 electrons. So oxygen is double bond. Then we can solve nitrogen. Nitrogen is N2. The electronic number of protons in nitrogen is 7. Proton 7 and the electrons also 7. So the configuration is 2 and 5. So it needs 3 more electrons to become stable. So nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons will be sharing. 7, 8. So nitrogen is nitrogen triple bond nitrogen. And water H2O. Water, oxygen and hydrogen. This hydrogen is one electron. This hydrogen is one electron. Oxygen electron we are representing as a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 4, 8. So hydrogen single bond oxygen, single bond hydrogen. This is H2. CH3OH, methanol. in IGCSE they asked methanol for more than 5-6 times. So then we can learn how to draw methanol covalent compound. Like carbon, you can use cross, hydrogen circle, and oxygen you can use dot. So carbon, hydrogen, 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 oxygen, hydrogen. So hydrogen's electron, carbon's cross, hydrogen circle. So carbon got 4 electron sharing. So carbon's outermost shell become 8 electrons, and hydrogen outermost shell now become 2 electrons. So hydrogen also stable. So hydrogen and hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is methanol. Hope you all understood.